Welcome to a MainelyDIY.com video.
So today I'm at a friend's house who has a variety of rotary cutter handles. So I'm going to try them out and see what we think of each one. So I'm going to start with this one. This is a one that's been around for a lot. This is an Olfa. And the way you get the blade out is you push this black one towards you, it brings the blade out. So I am going to try cutting a strip off of my fabric with that. Okay, it worked fine for cutting. What I'm concerned about with this one is that the blade is sticking out, and if I were just to set it down, you could get cut on it very easily. So I really am a little cautious about that one, just because it doesn't really have a safety. So you have to remember to put the blade back, and it says it's a safety cutter, so there we go. So I pushed this back up and it slid back on. The handle was fine, decent grip on that. That was okay. This is a Fiskars one, and to get the blade activated, you push this button, and to retract it, you push this one. I like the feel of the handle on this. I'm going to cut with that before I say that. So I liked how that one cut. I like how it feels in my hands, but again, the blade is exposed until you hit this button, so there's a bit of a danger with that, but I do like the grip on it. So I'm going to try another Olfa one here, and this is an Olfa. It's got a lock on here that prevents the blade from coming out, and to get the blade out you squeeze the handle. So that means that it's going to retract the blade, getting rid of that safety hazard that we had with the other ones. So I'm going to try cutting with that one. Okay, cut fine. I didn't care for this one so much because you have to pull that, and it's tight on your if you have carpal tunnel, which I don't, but it feels like it's a little tight in here when you squeeze it. So I don't find that to be as comfortable, but I really do like that feature that the blade retracts in there, and then it has this blade lock, which is really nice. Okay, this one I have that I'm using has a lock on it, so that's the lock position and the unlock, so that's really nice. The blade's not exposed until you put pressure on this blue part, so I'm going to demonstrate that on the fabric itself. Okay, I really do like the safety feature on that, where the blade is retracted when you're not using it, and it does have the safety lock on that. This particular one is a little bit big for my hand, but if you have bigger hands, might be perfect. I do like this thumb position here, and so it's very nice that way. So it definitely has some advantages. Okay, and here is our third final one. I assume that's supposed to be a ergonomic handle. Haven't used it because I haven't tried one of these before. This little mechanism right here keeps the blade safe, but you can just, when you're using it, you can just push down on it and the blade becomes exposed, I believe. We'll find out for sure in a minute. Okay, so this one, after I started cutting, the blade remained out, so I'm going to have to flip it over and flip this little handle down, and it covers the blade. So that, I don't like that I have to cover the blade. The handle is just a different feel. If you have certain problems, maybe that would work for you if you can grip like that. it may be a good option for you. Not my favorite, but it's a good option.